the first look of mountains. What a view, guys. What a view. बनता है इस पे लाइक. Guys, can you see that? I know you can see that. नहीं रुक मत, यहाँ पे रुक मत. Did you see what happened? अरे भाई मेरे आगे पत्थर गिरा है. फुल करना है भैया.
We started off from Delhi when it was still dark, but I wanted to avoid starting the video with dark visuals, so I only started recording after we crossed Panipat. And as we were cruising on almost empty highway, we were carrying good speeds. It was very soon when we found ourselves crossing Haryana and entering Punjab, and that's when we decided to have our breakfast.
Okay, so we took a break in Rajpura after riding continuously from Delhi, and we did it in 3 hours, I guess. And in these 3 hours, we have stretched quite far, so that's quite good. Just finished our breakfast in McDonald's, and these are the bikes. Sandeep is there. He's the fellow rider for this trip. Hello everyone. So far so good. चलते हैं आगे. Okay, so let's get back to Giri.
And we started off again, cruising along, taking blessings from the beautiful gurdwaras along the road. Also enjoying the beautiful scenery from the river bridges along the way. Soon it was time for us to start the climb, and as always, it brought a smile onto our faces inside our helmets. Because why not? Not only we were enjoying riding on the twisties, but we are also having a visual treat in the form of vistas. Who doesn't love looking at the natural beauty? Don't you?
So guys, we have just taken a stop here. This is the tea stall that we have stopped at. You can see the bikes parked. That's Sandeep, busy in filming the first look of mountains, and this is what he is filming. So guys, Maggie aa gayi, I think. Let's enjoy that along with the view. Here it is. Love this kind of stretch. You see the trees lined up. Looks bloody amazing. That's the road we came from. Nostalgia hitting so quickly. Wow, that's a beauty. What a view, guys. What a view. Majestic, majestic is the word. यहाँ रोक सकते हैं. हाँ, this is the point. See where we are standing. Please comment down how does it look. बनता है इस पे लाइक. एंड साथ में ये बोनस भी है. हेलमेट उतारने का मन नहीं हो रहा है फ़िलहाल, बट वो जो पीछे आप देख रहे हो ना, दैट इज़ द सब्जेक्ट राइट नाउ. वी आर जस्ट some other objects in the frame. Okay, bidding bye to this view, the red tint over mountains. So here we start the night journey. Should I call it an evening? Because पहाड़ों की इवनिंग कुछ मिनट्स की होती है, एज इन सनसेट के बाद वाली. So it's 7:15 and as you can see it's pitch black, pitch dark right here. We are right now in Chamba and planning to go to Tissa for the day or for the night, roughly around 70 kilometers from here. Yes, 70 kilometers in hill, and right now it's 7:15. Let's see if we can do that, then it is well and good. If we can do more, we'll go till Baragarh. If we think that we should stop earlier, we'll do that as well. So it's all in all, totally it's a comfort game. So whatever we can do comfortably, we'll be doing that. Guys, can you see that? I know you can see that. It's not something small that can be ignored or that can't be seen. Yeah, right. We can smell the fumes. Oh man, fuck. Did you see what happened? अरे नहीं रुक मत, यहाँ पे रुक मत. Did you see what happened? अरे भाई मेरे आगे पत्थर गिरा है. भाई उसी वजह से गिर रहे हैं भाई पत्थर. ये वो है पेड़ की लकड़ियाँ, वो भी है, पेड़ की लकड़ियाँ भी है भाई. द फायर इज नॉट अ स्मॉल वन. हाँ easy man, easy. I'll wait till this smoke clears up. Right. अरे I can't even see because पूरा धूल का गुब्बार आ चुका है. No. I'm through. हाँ. It was just that I had to wait a couple of seconds so that it clears up. बिल्कुल. It was like the tires were slipping a bit. इतना मिट्टी थी उसमें, वो भी चिकनी वाली, मतलब वो होती है ना फाइन. हाँ, फाइन मिट्टी. Just a minute. Guys, I think this is enough, more than enough now. I am just turning the camera off. We'll see you at hotel. I think this time pakka. Chalo, then I'll close. It's all frozen. All frozen. So guys, we have stopped here because he has lost pressure. He has got flat.